AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a modular lightweight guillotine knife assembly with frame lock handles to precisely cut individual pieces of rubber material with reinforced fabric from a roll form. The unit has a cutting area with a maximum width of 24 inches. The rate of cuts is governed by both the air pressure and flow rate. The modular design and lightweight construction can easily be transported and installed. Guide shafts are precision ground. The D2 tool steel blade is capable of cutting flexible materials with a maximum thickness of 8.5 millimeters. Adjustable handles hold the lock frame together. The knife assembly features all stainless steel components and requires low maintenance to operate. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.